we're gonna unbox this thing. Actually, this parcel comes from America. Okay, from the United States of America.
What?
I hope so. I bought this from Doha. Okay.
Doha?
Yeah, Doha.
What is it?
We'll see. We will open and we will see. Surprise.
Really, I just really want to know what it is.
Okay. So the unboxing begins. But let's see what it is. Ah, it is this.
Oh!
What's this? It's candies. It's cotton candies. I'm just kidding.
Wait.
So okay. So this one is, what is this? What is this? There's no name written on it. Oh, it opens like this.
Huh.
Ah, this one is okay. So I'm gonna check it out what it is. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, this one is collateral damage. This is collateral damage, and the reason I got it was because of initial side effect. And someone said on YouTube that this one is much better than initial side effect.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Like.
So let's try this, okay? Oh, it's. What do you think?
It smells good.
So.
So.
I can smell tobacco. And sweet. It's very sweet. It's good. Okay, we'll be reviewing this later. We're just checking out. Okay, it's just an unboxing thing. It's not a review at the moment. Second one I got is.
It's Arabic.
Yes, the guy who produced this is trained in Dubai. So this one is the Conqueror of UAE. Now this one is apparently a copy of Sherzhov, one of the Sherzhovs. Okay, apparently. What do we got?
Oh, it was in my mouth.
So keep your mouth closed, eh?
I was turning here.
Okay, so this one is. So, let me chew. What is this one?
It all smells pretty. It smells like a toilet.
Oh, come on, man.
In Meridian Mall, I think they spray perfumes, like random perfumes in there.
You mean the toilets?
Yeah.
They won't do that.
No, like in the bathroom, like when you enter there, I can smell them.
Don't say that now. I will not forget it. So the Conqueror of UAE is basically.
I don't like this.
Yes, it's a copy of Sherzhov Alexandria Oriental.
I would
Wait,
write.
show me.
I'd write this 4 out of 10.
I know why you're getting that kind of bathroomy smell. I know. I mean, when they clean the bathroom with this, but it should be way better than that. Okay. Okay, so the next one is this, and this one is.
I like how the opening is like that.
Okay, this one is. Let me see what is the copy. What is this the copy of?
Oh,
I think I know what it is.
Should we show them?
Wait, we will get there. This one is Choco Poseidon, and this and this is apparently a copy of Creed Aventus with
wait,
chocolate.
Creed Aventus?
Yeah, Creed Aventus has chocolate note in it. Okay.
What is Creed Aventus?
Okay, where do I do on here?
What is Creed Aventus?
It's a cologne.
Is it good? Do you like Creed Aventus?
I can smell the chocolate note.
Can I smell? I can smell the chocolate note.
And then I can smell the pineapple as well.
I don't know.
A bit citrusy smell as well. Citrusy pineapple chocolate. Yeah. You are something, isn't it? Okay.
What's the food?
So this one is. Oh, this one I know what it is. So this one is inspired by Dior Homme Parfum.
Wait, what's Dior? Is it the one that I had?
No, I have. Oh, you had Dior Homme. That is Dior Homme just. Dior Homme EDT, and then I have Dior Homme Intense, and there is Dior Homme
I saw it
Parfum.
from here.
This one is Dior Homme. Which part is free? Show me this one. Oh, here. Okay. Tell me. Give it.
Oh.
Give it time to dry down a bit, eh?
You know when we go to the Friday?
Don't tell me about toilet, okay?
No. Do you know when we go to the Friday thing?
I don't find any resemblance to Dior Homme Parfum. A little bit, maybe a little bit. I can smell a bit of rose in it. Yeah, a bit. There is a bit. Actually, it's not that complete of a.
Oh, dude.
You don't like it?
No, it smells like fire burning, kind of.
Yeah, there is a kind of woody smell in there. Okay, so this one is. I'll tell you. Oh, wait, wait. First, I don't want to show
Best
first.
perfume ever. Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so we just put this aside for a while, and I don't want you to. Okay, this one is drowned.
Wait, drown?
Yeah.
Ottoman.
Oh, I know. What is this? What is this? What is this? Why did I choose this one? Okay, so this one basically is. Okay, this is apparently a hybrid of Nishane Ani and Hachiwat. So this is actually inspired by a mixture of Nishane Ani and Nishane Hachiwat. And I heard one of the fragrance reviewers on YouTube. He said that the combination of Nishane Ani and Nishane Hachiwat smells awesome. So let's see how does it smell.
Spraying my eyes. Wait,
Yeah, I'll smell it.
Oh no, but then I can't smell it.
You will smell from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Can I? Don't do that.
I can't smell it pretty good.
I do get the ani. Actually, I shouldn't be smelling ani too much because today's scent of the day today is ani for me. But I do smell ani, and then I also smell the lemony, pineapple-y smell.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's kind of a mixture there. So, all in all, I would say spot on. Anyways, I think that's about it for today.
Yeah, and
So actually, we'll be reviewing these ones later.